advised angiography, but the patient refused for that. Further, he was kept on medications which the patient was non-compliant to. He presented to KIHD again last week on Tuesday with the complaints of chest pain, where they diagnosed him as a case of STEMI, and was advised angiography again, and he again opted in SUD for that. Throughout the last week, patient has been asymptomatic, apart from that case that he had one episode of postprandial angina last night, and before that he was asymptomatic. His ECG...
This history is very prolonged. What about the symptom in between? That is, first and 8 years back he was advised angiogram. Whether he remained asymptomatic in between?
He was asymptomatic in between. He had no further episodes. And
what was the symptom at that moment, or what was the reason he was advised?
At that time, we don't have any record available, but as per the patient, he had chest pain at that time, and for which he went to KIHD, and there he was told by the doctors that
and this
he
time
had
again he admitted with chest pain.
Yes, he again.
What were the troponin levels?
We just could retrieve one
reading.
Result, and everyone reading that was 8.
8 troponin. Okay. Is there any assessment of LV function in between?
No, there's no assessment of. We don't have any record for LVs.
What's the ECG showing?
ECG shows LVB, left bundle branch block.
Do we have any previous ECG?
No, this is the only ECG that we have. We don't have.
This was the admission ECG when he went there.
This is the ECG
this time.
This time.
Okay, and this LBB is persisting after that.
Yes.
What is the present symptom status, in a way that how much he can walk, or symptoms class CCS roughly?
CCS, he was asymptomatic the last whole week.
Okay.
Only one episode.
But what's the level of activity he's doing?
It's like daily activity. He used to do his daily activity.
अभी आपको चलने फिरने में कोई तकलीफ है फिलहाल?
चलने फिरने में कोई तकलीफ नहीं।
कितना चल लेते हैं अभी आप?
ज़्यादा तो नहीं चलता।
कितना रफ्ती? अभी घर से कितना चल रहे हैं?
जैसे यहाँ से मैं अभी गेट तक जाऊँगा तो
सांस फूलती है, लेकिन गेट से तक जाने में सिर्फ सांस फूलती है या कुछ सीने में भी कैफियत आती है?
थोड़ी सी हल्का दर्द सा महसूस होता है।
इतनी शिद्दत का होता है कि चलते चलते रुकना पड़ जाए?
जी,
रुकना पड़। This is CCS3 angina, what he is having. So what he has done, he has restricted his activities. That's why you are getting him asymptomatic. Otherwise, when I have given him the liberty that how much you can walk, so what he is saying, even to the gate of hospital he have to stop because of SOB and chest pain. So he is having angina CCS3 at least. कभी ये चीज़ बैठे बैठे भी हो जाती है? ये जो चलने में चीज़ आती है, ये कभी रात सोते में या ना?
सोते में कभी दर्द में।
CCS3-4 because he told that he sometime had even. So you need to know some Q questions by which you are going to assess the functional class of symptoms. ये जो चलने वाली चीज़ और ये कितने अरसे से चल रही है? वो 8 साल से चल रही है, बेहतर हो जाती है, कभी ठीक हो जाए, इस तरीके से चल रहा है. So I think conclusively we need an echo first, because this is the left bundle branch block. Now this left bundle branch block can be a pre-existing transmural infarct or maybe an intrinsic ECG electrical change that you can judge by doing echo. If your echo is showing LV dysfunction, that means he may had a past infarct as well. And if echo turn out to be normal, then this ECG LVB changes may be just electrical changes. So echo and coronary angiogram, these two things are needed. But again, depending on his will to go for further intervention.
Yes,
if he is agree, then we'll do both of these things.
I inquired about his will, and he's willing
agreeing
to.
For
he's
any
agreeing for.
Okay, that will.